Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly developing technology that has been making a significant impact in various fields of our lives in recent years. While creating a revolution in areas such as computer science, robotics, and data analytics, it also brings with it a number of concerns. When considering the effects of AI on our lives and the potential dangers it poses, it is essential to examine both the positive and negative aspects of this technology. The risks of AI are not limited to technology alone. They can also have wide-ranging consequences on society and the economy. The first major threat is the possibility of people losing their place in the workforce. Thanks to automation, AI is able to take over many tasks that were previously done by human labor. Sectors that rely on routine and mechanical tasks, in particular, may undergo significant transformation due to automation. Examples such as assembly robots in car factories, chatbots replacing call center workers, and self-driving vehicles in the transportation industry highlight the scale of this threat. These developments could lead to the risk of millions of people losing their jobs. The impact of AI on the workforce could result in people losing their professions, struggling to make a living, and an overall increase in unemployment rates. Those with low-skilled labor are the group most likely to be affected by this transformation. For example, truck drivers, call center employees, and assembly line workers in factories may lose their jobs due to AI technologies. It is also possible that AI could threaten jobs in areas such as the financial sector. For instance, analysts performing financial analyses, credit specialists, and insurance appraisers could be largely replaced by AI-developed algorithms. Since AI has the capacity to make more accurate and faster decisions, it is likely to transform traditional ways of working in many industries. Another significant risk is the loss of control over AI and its potential to become a threat to humanity. Artificial intelligence with self-learning algorithms could rapidly evolve. This could lead to an uncontrollable situation. For example, autonomous systems might carry out actions that could harm humans or make incorrect decisions. Additionally, AI could be used for malicious purposes, such as in weapons, espionage tools, or cyber attacks. Defining the ethical boundaries of AI is crucial because if misused, AI could pose a great danger. In the healthcare sector, AI will also play a significant role. However, there are risks associated with this transformation in medicine. AI can develop systems capable of making accurate diagnoses, creating treatment recommendations, and tracking patients. However, this could lead to healthcare workers losing their jobs. Technologies capable of replacing radiologists, surgeons, and doctors could affect the quality of healthcare services. A system without the human factor and personal touch might undermine patients' trust and increase the risk of errors when making critical decisions in medicine. The education sector could also undergo significant change due to the impact of AI. The automation in education could pose a threat to teachers' jobs. AI-powered teaching programs can provide personalized education and offer content tailored to individual students. While this threatens teachers' jobs, it could also lead to a transformation of teaching methods. However, tasks such as addressing students' social and emotional needs are areas where AI has not yet proven effective. The use of AI in education should not be seen as replacing teachers, but rather as an important tool to make education more efficient. On the other hand, the creative industries, including music, film, art, and media, could also be influenced by AI. AI is capable of performing creative tasks such as composing songs, writing scripts, creating artwork, and producing films. This could pose a threat to artists and creative professionals. Creativity is one of the most distinct human characteristics, and the fact that AI can mimic it may be concerning to many. The replacement of traditional art with AI-generated artworks could lead to a significant transformation in the art world. However, it is still difficult for AI to replace human creativity and emotions, but its influence in these fields is steadily growing. The impact of AI extends beyond professions and economies, and could lead to social changes that deeply affect societies. Specifically, there is a risk that individuals with low income and education levels could be left behind in this transformation, exacerbating social inequality. The changes in the workforce caused by AI could lead to income distribution, inequality, and create a large economic gap. This in turn could lead to issues such as poverty, unemployment, and social unrest. However, AI does not only create negative effects. It can also provide people with job opportunities that were previously not possible. In particular, the development of AI in highly skilled jobs could create more job opportunities in fields such as engineering, software development, and data science. AI could create healthy and efficient work environments, but it is also essential to manage the adaptation processes of people. In conclusion, the integration of AI into our lives is an inevitable process, and this transformation can alter many professions and eliminate some. People must acquire new skills to adapt to this change and take advantage of the opportunities it brings. However, while developing and using AI, ethical values, human rights, and social responsibilities must be considered. Managing this transformation in a way that creates a better future for all of humanity is of critical importance. In the next video, we will meet again. Goodbye.